Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. This clip is actually from a bigger podcast, and the link to that podcast is in the description. You'll also find the links to the audio version of the podcast and many more things. So, thanks for stopping by. Now, carry on with your video.
I'll tell you something. This reminded me of something that happened with us. That's why I'm going to talk. इसमें भी ना context matters. ये आदमी cricketer है. I don't think what he's I don't think Vijay Sethupathi is doing anything wrong by playing a cricketer. But that is why I don't think that this was something that should have happened. But what Rajkumar Rao did with Omerta, that obviously nothing warrants death threats, but that movie deeply offended me. I walked out of a theater. We walked out of the theater. I could not watch something like that. But if you're playing a cricketer, it shouldn't warrant this reaction. That is what I meant by context is very important. And people need to understand that you don't have to blindly just start calling everybody anti-national because वो साला श्रीलंकन cricketer play कर रहा है.
Okay, I get it. So, Khushi, you made a really good point where you said that a film like Omerta offended you because an Indian guy played a Pakistani terrorist, was involved in crimes multiple places.
He was not Pakistani, he was Indian.
Okay, sorry. Omerta was an Indian terrorist.
Yeah.
The guy, okay.
Who went and who collaborated with the Taliban. He was an Indian.
Yes. Sorry, my mistake. So basically, this is an Indian person who was a terrorist and collaborated with Taliban. And you are offended at this because you felt that he shouldn't be glorified. That's your point, right?
Yes.
That's right. Okay.
Yes, that's my point. He should not be movies like that. See, if it was a documentary, I would have been very happy. But the fact that people went through the pain of creating a fucking biopic for a topic of that kind, it just did not sit right with me.
If you consider from a filmmaking point, a documentary is thrice the work to make than a biopic.
Okay, you tell me something. As a person who loves films and wants to be a filmmaker, if you're passionate about a topic, if you are so willing to create something, to create awareness about this, would the 3 times work matter to you?
There might be multiple things. There might be financial issues. There might be other issues backing from the production house. There can be a lot of things. I get what you're trying to say, that if this was a passion project, not all things are passion projects. This could be something this person thought was interesting. This might not be his ideal thing. My question to both of you is that, Ayushi, did you feel anything about the film? Did you see the film at all? Or do you know
I
film?
did not see personally when it comes to movies and like actors playing particular people. I don't think there's anything wrong in it because it's a movie. It's made for like your entertainment, even if it's for informational basis. And I know it can have like a huge influence on a large audience because people look up to movies sometimes and they kind of get influenced by it. But having certain opinions on the actor because he played a role is very wrong. I mean, he's just playing a role. He's kind of excelling his own skill. It's not that he's supporting a particular thing. It's like you saying that if there is a cricket related movie and an Indian actor is playing from Pakistan side, he's playing the role of being someone from Pakistan. So you will just like cancel him saying ki aise kaise you are not there. What?
Ayushi, see, let me explain it to you again. We started this off with the comparison of cricket and terrorism. If it's cricket, it doesn't matter. See, this is not Kabir Singh. People cancelling Shahid Kapoor because he played a misogynistic guy is very different from someone saying ki nahi Rajkumar Rao, please don't be a fucking terrorist. Don't play a terrorist on screen. There is a very big difference. Very big difference.
Where is the conversation about art and artist in this situation?
See, I am telling you from a very, very, very clear perspective. An artist creates art that he or she believes in, yes or no? You doing a movie about terrorism promotes the idea that hot he can. I'm not saying that this is what I believe. I am saying this is what a lot of people thought.
Definitely, like as I
I'm
said
asking
also,
solely your thing. I'm not asking you to speak for people. It's your thoughts that I'm interested about. That's what I'm asking.
It was a wrong choice on his behalf. He could have done another movie.
I personally don't agree to that at all because see, it's like as you said very rightly that movies like this do influence a very, very large audience, but it's like you saying that Nawazuddin Siddiqui playing in Raman Raghav, it's like he's not promoting being a serial killer, right? It's
What
just
God?
that
You're not understanding what I'm trying to say. See, if you go out into the world and you see Jennifer Aniston,
Okay.
what are you going to say? That's Rachel.
that is very different.
That
like,
is how. No, I'm telling you that is the influence that art has on so-called artists.
Okay.
A person becomes a character. See, I'm giving you an example. I'm not saying that this is comparable in any way. But when you are you're perceived as a great artist, everyone knows he did movies like Newton and stuff, and then he played a terrorist. That's something that doesn't make sense to me.
But what I'm not getting is what's wrong with playing a character. He's just showing off his acting skills. He's showing off that he has the capability to take him out of his mind, take all the things that has been put in his brain about everything that he has taught. He can put that aside and not change, play a character and come back to his own self. Why is that?
Kudos to him for doing that. That's a great way of
Go ahead.
It's amazing that he did it. But when you see, this all sounds very great to us because we come from a creative mind. Hai ki nahi? It sounds like, oh my God, he did something that not a lot of people have the guts to do. He's doing a great role and something.
Now you're going. It's the same thing that you're coming back to again. That an artist has a social obligation towards his society, which you are saying is an important thing. I also agree it's an important thing, but he has his own right to do anything he wants. That's what I'm trying to say.
Of course he does. Then he also has. See, when you say he has the right to do whatever he wants, then he should be ready to face the repercussions as well.
There's no repercussions against the film. It came out as well. It was released in Indian theaters.
some people like it, some people didn't. Like you.
My question was solely that what you felt because you started the conversation. So
I did not see what Vijay Sethupathi is doing is warranted. My argument in the beginning, like my statement at the beginning, said the same thing. Context matters.
That I completely understand. In the Vijay Sethupathi thing is also kind of on the same thing. It's not only about cricket. That's what I'm saying. What happens is that thousands of Tamilians were killed in Sri Lanka. Okay. And that's why he said, I think, I'm not sure of it. I'll put it on the side if I'm wrong. That I feel even Muthaiya Muralidharan has a Tamilian descent somehow, I feel. And he also went to Sri Lanka and that's his culture. What people are saying that when these things happened with Tamilians in Sri Lanka, he didn't raise any question, he didn't do anything. So now a Tamilian guy shouldn't play somebody who supported the murdering of Tamil people in Sri Lanka. That's the argument people are making.
You had said, I don't know, either of you had said in the beginning about how people they brush their hands off of these so-called cancel claims by not reacting to them. That in no way means that they agree on the opinion that ye galat hai. Aisa thodi tha that Muralidharan went and said ki no, you should kill Tamilians.
Obviously, that's what I'm saying.
Just kept quiet. I don't see that there's anything wrong in that at all.
But I understand what you're trying to say, that your argument was about artists' contribution to his society. Social obligation, yes, that's the right word. Which I completely agree on, but I think that is the bigger question that I don't think we'll find answers to anytime soon.
Agreed. For sure.
Where is the line till where you can fulfill your own wishes and also maintain social obligation? Or you'll have to be doing something that's not according to your wishes, but go by the social obligation basically. So I get that. It's good that you said what you felt, because it was necessary also. Okay, there should be a side to everything.